Today I thought I'd make another video about how to make your portraits look like film photography. But before we do that, I actually need some new portraits. So today I'm gonna go out in the city to capture some portraits, and then we'll come back here to, well, edit them. So I'm gonna go out and shoot with my 85mm f1.4. This is a great portrait lens. I use it literally all the time for almost all my portraits. So I'm gonna go out, shoot some portraits, and take you guys along with me. So let's go. So as I was walking in the city, I saw this beautiful woman with red hair, and I thought I had to approach her and ask her for a photo. Unfortunately though, she didn't speak English, but I will add some subtitles so you guys can understand what is happening. Excuse me. Hi, do you speak English? Français? Je m'appelle Samuel, je suis photographe, je prends des photos des gens gratuitement. J'aime bien votre style. Je vais juste vous demander si vous aimez une petite photo, bien vite. C'est gratuit?
Oui, mais juste, j'ai pas beaucoup de temps.
Oui, ça 20 secondes. What's your name?
Laura.
I'm Sam. Nice to meet you. Est-ce que je peux avoir un visage sérieux?
Ah, je vais essayer.
Yes, ok, beautiful. Wow. Qu'est-ce qui vous rend heureuse dans la vie?
Franchement, me balader, faire du shopping, voir mes amis, je sais pas.
Merci les photos.
Oh. Elles sont jolies, elles sont très jolies.
So I ended up capturing some amazing portraits, and I cannot wait to show you how I edit them. So today I'm gonna edit all the portraits with my film preset, which you can find using the first link in the description below. Now, this is essentially a one-click preset. What this means is that all the adjustments are already made, and I've even added some masks built in the preset. So once you apply the preset, it'll come with all the settings and the masks. Then you can go ahead and do some minor tweakings, maybe the shadows, the exposure, maybe the white balance. But apart from that, everything is already set for you, and I'm gonna show you exactly what this looks like today. Okay, so here I am in Lightroom. I've got this portrait here set up and ready to go. So watch what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to apply my film preset called the Golden Memoir, and watch this. Boom! As you can see, the photo is already transformed. Now, if we go here to the masks, you can see that it's applied a bunch of different masks. There's a radial gradient for the face, right, to brighten the face. There's a mask for the eyes to sharpen the eyes and make them a little bit brighter. There's a mask for the skin to smoothen it a little bit and to raise the shadows to make the face just a little bit brighter. And there's a mask on the background to make it darker, because I love a dark background. It helps isolate the subject even more. And then there's a last mask right here on the bottom of the frame to really darken it even more so that the subject really stands out. Now, what I'm gonna do here is a couple of things. I'm just going to start by lowering the exposure a little bit more, something like this. Perfect. I think the white balance is, I'm just gonna set it on cloudy. And then I'm gonna go to the mask, and I'm just going to increase the intensity a little. And boom, there it is. The photo is done. As you can see, this took like not even 2 minutes to do. Let's look at a quick before and after, just so you guys can see the transformation. So this is before and this is after. As you can see, her face is a lot brighter. Her eyes are a lot brighter too. They're a lot sharper as well. And just the colors, it's really filmic. This is a great film preset. But I'm not gonna stop here. I ended up taking, quite a few portraits of this lovely lady. So let's go to another one and apply the same preset. All right, let's choose this portrait right here. So what we're gonna do is I'm just going to apply the Golden Memoir preset. Boom, and look at this. It is already amazing. So again, what I'm gonna do is decrease the exposure. I'm gonna set the white balance, say to cloudy. This looks pretty good. And in the masks, I'm just going to adjust the radial gradient so that it's right on the face. Something like this. I might even brighten it a little bit more. Something like this is perfect. Now let's do another before and after. And as you can see, it is quite an amazing transformation. Just look at her eyes, for example. Her eyes are a lot sharper. I've also added quite a bit of grain in this preset, because typically film photos tend to have a lot of grain, but you can also control that intensity. If you go down here to the effects, you can decrease the amount of grain or you can increase it. It's really up to you. Okay, so now I want to do it on this portrait right here. So again, I'm just going to apply the preset, and boom, as you can see, the photo is looking amazing. Now again, I'm just gonna do some minor tweaks to the photo. This. for the quick before and after, you can really see the transformation in the photo. Okay, so now I have her portraits in Lightroom. So what I'm gonna do is the same thing. I'm gonna apply my film preset and watch what happens. Boom, okay, so now it's applied the film preset. Again, everything is already done. All I'm gonna do is some minor tweaks, right? I'm just going to, for example, adjust the exposure a little bit. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust the exposure of the radial mask because I only want the face to be brighter. If I adjust the exposure in the basic settings, it's gonna brighten everything, even the background, but I don't want this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to the mask, select the radial gradient, and then I'm going to increase that exposure. Something like this is perfect. Boom, and there it is. Look at this. All I had to do was adjust the brightness. That's literally all I had to do. All the work was already done with the preset. Again, guys, this is a great film preset. The way I've set it up to work is essentially you just click on it and you have minor adjustments to do, but everything is already done for you. Okay, so now I want to apply all the photos from this portrait to another portrait of the same person that was shot at the same location. So all I'm gonna do to do this is I'm going to go here to copy, and then I'm gonna select all the settings that I want to copy. So everything except the healing and the crop, copy. Then I'm gonna go here to the portrait that I want to select, and watch what I'm gonna do. All I'm gonna do is select paste. And now it's gonna paste all the settings from the previous portrait to this one. Boom, there it is. And as you've seen, this saves us so much time, and it also saves us the hassle of having to go through each portrait of the same person and apply the same preset into the same modifications, the same adjustments. Essentially, all you do is you do all the adjustments and the preset on one photo, and then you copy it and paste it to the others. It saves so much time. Now let's do a quick before and after. Come on, look at this. I have no words. I really have no words. Now, this is my brand new film preset, right? I just launched it a few days ago, and you can be one of the first people to try it by using the first link in the description below. And if you are a fan of this film look and you want your photos to have it, well, this preset is a great way to do that. It is also available for Lightroom Desktop and Lightroom Mobile, right? There are two versions of the preset in it. So whether you're on your phone, tablet, Android, iPhone, or you're on your PC, Mac, whatever you may use, this preset is available for you. And you can get it, once again, using the first link in the description below. Now, I've also used this preset in another video showing you how it works on some more portraits. If you want to see that, you can watch this video right here where I use the preset even more and in greater detail. Click here to subscribe to my channel. The channel is growing greatly, and I really appreciate every single one of you. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay creative, keep creating. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.